Hey guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get the CapCut Pro feature for free in PC. So here you can just add any pictures or videos that you want to edit, and then use any pro features that you want into your edits. For example, I'm going to add a pro animations to my edits in here. I'm going to add the combo animation. For example, I'm going to add this bounce rush into my photos, and this is a pro feature. So when I try to export, I cannot do it unless I get the CapCut Pro in here and join the Pro. So what you need to do is here, click on the Get Free Pro Options button in here, and you'll see this invite friends to get free pro. So if you want to get a CapCut Pro for free, you can just invite your friends to use CapCut PC from your invite link. So for each friend that install and launches CapCut Desktop from your invite link, you will both get a 7-day free pro. So you can get it for free, and here you can also enjoy the pro benefits on both CapCut mobile and also desktop. And you can get up to 70 days of free pro by inviting 10 friends. No credit card required and no auto renewal. So you can just click on the copy invite link and then share it with your friends and ask them to install and launch CapCut from your invite links. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.